Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the DRDO vacancies. Okay, so few posts are released here from the Defense Research and Development Organization that you can check down here. They are the JRF for the mechanical engineering. The 3 vacancies are there, and the essential educational qualifications are BTech or BE with first class in mechanical engineering, or ME or MTech with first class in mechanical engineering. And coming to the junior research fellowship in aeronautical, aerospace or engineering, the 4 vacancies are there, and here the qualification required is BTech or BE with first class in aeronautical or aerospace engineering from UGC recognized university with GATE. Okay, with valid GATE score is required, or else ME or MTech with first class in aeronautical or aerospace engineering from UGC recognized university, and BTech or BE aeronautical or aerospace engineering with first class from UGC recognized university. And coming to the stipend here, the JRF will receive a stipend of 31,000 rupees per month plus HRA as per the DRDO rules. And while coming to the tenure, so initially for a period of 2 years and which may be extended for further 2 years. Okay, it depends upon the internal screening committee recommendations. And coming to the age limitation, the maximum age limit is at 28 years as on the closing date of the advertisement, and there is a relaxation of 5 years for the SC/ST and 3 years for the OBC category. And coming to the application procedure, eligible candidates may send their duly filled complete applications as per the given format, okay, that you can download from the official website itself. And the duly filled in application form must be sent to the Director, DRDL, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Missile Complex, Hyderabad. And the last date for the receipt of at DRDL is 21 days from the date of publication in Employment News on or before 31st December 2020 as per the DRDO website notification. Okay, and candidate should write in bold letters that application for JRF recruitment on top of the cover of the envelope. And coming to the selection procedure, eligible candidates will be shortlisted on the basis of the valid GATE score and on the basis of the percentage of marks obtained in the minimum qualifying degree. And the GATE paper and subject of qualifying degree must be related to the subject. The shortlisted candidates will be required to appear for the personal interview. Okay, and the date and time and date of the interview will be intimated by the speed post or the email. Okay, working experience in the area of subject will be preferred. And coming to the venue of interview, DRDL, Ministry of Defense in Hyderabad itself, and few important instructions are also given here, so you may check down all these instructions. And the application for the award of JRF is attached here, so it is application form, guys. So anyhow, if you want to get the complete and accurate details, please once visit the official website of this one, then you are going to get the clear details. Okay, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.